Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Glad Makeover TV. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing great. As for me, I'm doing really fine. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how I apply this my beautiful makeup. But if you want to know how I tie this my gele, just scroll down in this my YouTube channel and you will see the video there. Just watch it carefully and you will understand it. But if you don't understand it, just drop your comment at the comment section and I will make the video again for you to understand the part you don't understand. If it is the step or the roundest area, just drop your comment at the comment section, then I will retry it again. So now let's get started about the makeup. So before you apply your eyebrow, you need to comb it first after you might have shaved. You understand? So before you draw your eyebrow, you just need to brush first, then you apply your eyebrow. You understand? So it's very easy. Why it's good you learn these things as a woman, because makeup is really good on our faces. So now you see how I draw it. See how I draw the eyebrow. After you draw, if you don't use concealer, it does not work. You understand? You must always use concealer. And while using concealer, you must use two types. You use the first color you will apply. This one that I'm applying now is the same color that will follow is the same color with the foundation that I will use. You understand? So that is the make color I'm using there. So some people take it like, depends on how you want to take it. Just apply it, then after you apply it like this, you just try to clean, you clean, try to maintain the place. If you wash it very well there, you will see that it's the same color now, because when I apply my foundation, everything will just be the same together. Now I'm trying to apply the other one. You see, the other one, I did not start it from the edge, I just started from the center. So all depends on you, how you are going to be doing it. It does not really matter if it is from the edge, if it is from the center. The important thing is that you know what you are doing. But for beginner, if you are a beginner, you want to start it, just start it from the edge. Don't start from the center, from the middle anyhow. Just start from the edge, and before you know, you will just get it. You see, when I said talk about two color, you see the upper color is different from the down color. That is, the two color is not the same thing. Now I have applied my concealer. I'm trying to apply my eyeshadow now. Just see the way I apply my eyeshadow. First, I use my concealer as the base. You can still use your foundation, all depends on you. You can still use your foundation as the base or concealer, depends on the foundation that you are using. But for me, I just use my concealer as my foundation, my base for it now. Now I just show you people how the two color I'm going to apply in my eyeshadow. So just some people take makeup like big job, big deal. How can I do this? Maybe when somebody see you apply your makeup, wow, I wish I can just do this myself. You can really do it if you want to do it. It's very easy. But in this very video, if you don't understand it and you want to learn more about makeup, please just drop your comment at the comment section. The area that you don't understand, the area you don't really understand, just drop your comment at the comment section. Or tag me to it, so that I can really, my attention will go there. But definitely, if just drop your comment, I always go through comments. I will see the area that you really need help, and I will do in the video. I will definitely just concentrate on that particular area. You understand? because applying makeup, I know what you don't know is very difficult. When you know it, it will not be easy something. So just concentrate. See the way I'm applying it step by step. First, for you to get all these things, for you to really get the beauty, without that base, it's not going to last. Or maybe without that base, maybe if you just so you just dance a little bit, you should get sweat, before you will know, all the makeup will just wipe away. But with the with the base and all that, it will last you many hours. It will not clean. Now I'm choosing my what is it called? Okay, now I'm choosing the I'm brushing my eyelash, because if you don't brush it first before you apply the faso one, the artificial, it will not stable. That is why you need to brush it first before you apply the artificial one. If you brush it first before you apply it, it will really stable and it will not disturb you. You understand? So just relax your back. See the way the makeup is still going. Makeup is just matter of time, but just relax your back. If you understand makeup, it does not really take too much of your time. But if you don't understand it, it will take you time and all that. Now I'm applying my foundation, because first I need to just apply this foundation, so that before I will now apply my eyelash and all that, everything will just balance to stable. Like it will not because the finishing, I need to put a spray. So if you just finish your makeup and your foundation and you apply that spray instantly, it will not stable, it will not bring out the beauty. But maybe after some, if you apply your foundation and you give it some minutes before you apply the spray, you will see the spray will not bring out the beauty. You understand? So now I apply my foundation. I'm putting the powder. I'm just using just normal powder to rub it now. Just relax your back and still be washing. You see, you see the way I fold the brush, because I don't want it to clean the eyebrow that I draw before. You know, I told you guys that the concealer that I applied before is the same thing with my color. Now you see it, they are all just going the same. As in, there's not two color about it. It's just the same color. You understand? Now I'm using my concealer. In this area, I still use the same. Sometimes I use concealer. Sometimes I still use a thick foundation. You understand? So it depends on how you want it to look like. While sometimes I use another type of foundation, because if I don't want my makeup to be heavy, maybe I'm not going anywhere, I just want to make a video. But sometimes if I'm going out, like I'm going to party, I just want to makeup, I'll just use light one, so that my face will not be so thick and all that. Everything will just go well, like it will light. You understand? So this is all about makeup. You see, are you guys seeing the beauty now? Are you seeing the beauty? Everything is just coming out well. La, everything is really going well. It's really going well. So just relax your back and wash it. But I really thank you all. Thank you all for the way you guys encourage me in my video. Anytime I upload video, you guys will just come down, watch it, and you drop your comment, you thumbs up for me. I really do appreciate it. May God really bless you all. Thank you for giving me the encouragement. Yes, I'm really, when I see your comment or when I see the view, oh God, I'm really happy. Thank you all. I really appreciate each and every one for always supporting me. You understand? So the makeup is still going. I'm just trying to maintain some area that, you know, when you're applying makeup, sometimes some part may rough, some part just go well. Now I'm applying my eyeliner. You understand? I'm applying my eyeliner. So when applying your eyeliner, please just concentrate. When I'm applying my eyeliner, I don't want anything to distract me, you know. You see the way I apply my eyeliner is very good, it's beautiful. Yes, it's really nice. It's really nice. It's really nice. I love it. Thank you all. I really do appreciate. Thank you for watching this video. God bless you.